Swapna Suresh's voice clip, which has gone viral on social media, is still creating confusion and mysteries. The voice recording has Swapna Suresh alleging pressure from the investigating agencies to mention the name of the Chief Minister in connection with the gold smuggling case. Adding mystery to the claim is that the accused has been imprisoned in the Ernakulam jail for women, and as such she has no means to record such an audio clip and to pass it on to outside sources. The jail authorities have not confirmed that the voice clip is of Swapna Suresh. Swapna has not fully admitted that the voice is her own. The DIG handed over the report to the jail chief. The report also recommends a detailed investigation. The jail authorities have asked the police to investigate more on the voice clip and its origin. However, if the voice clip was recorded from the cell, it would not be possible without a detailed investigation to find out the source behind the clip. I was mentally traumatized while in the custody of investigative agencies. I don't remember what I told them. My mind became a little calm when I arrived in Thiruvananthapuram, said Swapna in one of her statements. At the same time, Swapna says in her statement that she did not make any references as mentioned in the audio recording after arriving at Ernakulam jail. DIG has given a detailed report on the issue, including her statement. According to the report, it is certain that the voice was not recorded from Ernakulam jail. DIG states that Swapna had not seen her lawyer after her arrival at Ernakulam jail. Swapna has given the contact number of her husband, daughter and mother to the jail authorities. The jail department repeatedly says that Swapna once called her mother and never contacted anyone else. However, the enforcement directorate suspect that the phone conversation was recorded at the jail. Police have stated that there is no possibility of an investigation as there is no violation of jail rules in audio recording. However, the jail department wants to trace the source of the voice clip with the help of a high-tech cell. The jail authorities have been informed that the police chief has communicated with the high-tech cell in this regard. The police have decided to take further action as per the legal advice of the Advocate General. Jail DGP Rishraj Singh had lodged a complaint with the state police chief in connection with the incident. The voice message was released by an online portal named Swapna Suresh. According to the audio message, some members of the probe team forced her to name the chief minister in connection with the gold smuggling case. According to the audio clip, the probe team says that they could make her an approver in the case if she would make a statement against the chief minister. News Desk Kaumudy, English.